What's good, all my SGMers? Oh my still getting money people out there. And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment. And hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in the comments. Gang gang. And before we start this video, don't forget to follow me on social media. All the links will be in the description below. So let's get into this video. Like I said, you know what I'm saying, I make sure, I hope all y'all been grinding so y'all can be paid in full, as you can see right here. So let's get into this video. We're on the iPad today. It's one of the apps that, one of my top 3. I love this app. Like I said, I've been getting paid for it for a long time. So let me get right into it. It's Future Point. Some of you heard of it, some of you haven't. But for the ones that never heard of it, the link will be in the description below. And the people that have been on it and haven't been grinding on it, you need to keep grinding. That's the only way you're going to get paid. You know what I'm saying? So right now, this is Future Points. Future Points, the interface has changed. Period. As you can see, it looks totally different. I haven't made a video from it because I was grinding on it. I went to grind on it. It made me sign in, and then the whole interface was just different. So I don't remember where everything is at. So excuse me about, I stumble on certain things or whatever. But let's start this video. All right. So this video is right here. This is a app that you download apps. You know what I'm saying? You get points, and then you get your prize. So right here, these are surveys, as you can see right here. You know what I'm saying? Tap Research, Peanut Lab, and Say So Rewards. So this is what you can get up to. 4,000 up to here, 1,500, and 1,000. Now I'm saying you won't get 4,000, but you can get up to 4,000. You know what I'm saying? Same thing here, up to 15. You're not gonna get all of them. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna get some of them, not all, but it's the point. You gotta grind for it. Still moving along. I'm gonna scroll. They even got cash back now. They didn't have cash back before. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me close this up real quick. They got cash back now. Let me let this load real quick. You see, earn right here, earn points when you shop. Like I said, I haven't tried this out yet. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to soon. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. Hold on. Matter of fact, let me just close this shit and reopen it. Excuse my language, but I don't know why it's taking so long. But that's great that they added that feature. Now we got cash back on there. And we can make money not only by, downloading apps and doing surveys, but we could get cash back on things we do on here. All right, so we're gonna let that load right back up. All right, so let's go to the cash back. Hopefully it opens up. But like I said, even if it don't, you can search cash back here, search for certain stores, and go from there. So I'm not gonna wait for it. I'm just gonna move along. So let's go to the share. Right here, you go my sharing right here. There go my code right there. Like I said, get unlimited free points. Earn up to 50% of your points from friends earned. So there go my code right here. It will be in the link in the description below. The link, like I said, if you want to start on 0, that's on you. But if you put my code in for people that don't have it, you're going to start over free 50 points. So you can get faster to your next prize. You know what I'm saying? And when you scroll right here, it shows you how everything else works right here. So if you don't understand, like I said, let your friends earn points for you. You share your link. You sign your friends up. You get 50% of what they do, etc., etc. It's the same concept, like I said. You know what I'm saying? You could have a customized. You could customize your code. I haven't done that yet. You know what I'm saying? But I probably will do that. You know what I'm saying? Later on. But like I said, you customize your code. Like I said, you can share it on Facebook directly from here and share it on Twitter as well. So now let's go to the rewards. Which is the rewards is right here. As a matter of fact, let me save that for last. Let me see. So right here I have my personal information, so I'm definitely not gonna go there. So let's go back to the rewards. So you can go to rewards right here. They got gift cards. Let's check out the gift cards. All the gift cards they got here. All gift cards right here. So let's check out the gift cards right here. They got Amazon, Xbox, Legend of League of Legends, Best Buy, Bath and Body Works, Sephora, Target, Nintendo eShop, Stream, Starbucks. Like I said, they mostly priced the same thing. So $1 is let me see. They mostly priced at the same thing. So $1 is 600 points, etc., etc. But we're gonna go back. We're gonna go all the way back. They got Bitcoin as well, but we're gonna go all the way back to where the cash is at right here. So like I said, we all want the big prize, but you gotta start off small. Some people start off quick. You know what I mean? So $1 is 600. They got $3 is 1,800. $5 is 3,000. Those are the more targetable when you first start. $10 is a 6,000. 25 is 15,000. 50 is 30,000. 100 is 60,000. 200 is 120,000. And 500 is 300,000. And 1,000 is the one we all want, is 600,000. So right now I have 60,130 points. So let's see what I could get with that. Let me see if I could get 200. No, I can't. Let me see if I could get 100. So I could get $100 right now. So you know what? I'm going to cash out. So you know what I'm saying? Buy reward. Let me press it again. Come on. What's going on here? Buy reward. I don't know why it's not popping up. Come on, man. Struggles. Hold on 1 second. I'm pressing it. It's not working for whatever reason. All right, I don't know if I gotta press this or what's going on with this new format of this, you know, future points. Let me go back in cash with 100. Buy reward. Pressing right here, pressing right here. I don't know what's going on. Why can I pressing it with this new format? Like I said, it's my first time with the new future points format. Why? You know what I'm saying? It's not going. When it just says 60,000, and I got over 60,000. But obviously, if you press the 200, you see how it goes. It goes great. That means you don't have enough. When you do have enough, you press here, buy reward. You know what I mean? So I don't understand what's going on right here. I'm trying to press up top too. Not working. I know I'm supposed to get like a thing. Do I want to buy? What the hell is going on? So I couldn't cash out, so I had to contact Future Point support, and he told me to try to log in on the computer to see if I could cash out. So right now, I'm on a computer right now, as you can see. So let's see if I could cash out on here, because this is a new interface that they came up with. I didn't have an issue before, so let's see if I could do it now. Press the 100 and press buy. So you see now it's working on the computer. I don't know why it's not working on the iPad. I'm guessing because it's a new interface. So buy reward processing. The reward will be processed. It will be available soon. Please check your account. Blase, blase. All right, so now it's done. As you can see, my points went down right there to 576 points. Like I said, I'm gonna actually write him back. Also, let him know that it worked or whatnot. Let's see if I get my email. I got paid. Usually, I get paid right away. So if it don't come right away, it probably will come within an hour. We'll refresh. Nothing yet. Let me close it, open it. See if I get my payment right here live on cam like I usually do. Like I said, today's the next day actually. Like I said, you know what I'm saying? I couldn't get it. I couldn't get it. And then when I contacted Future Point, they just got back at me today. So that's why I was wondering why it wasn't working. I knew it had something to do because they changed the whole look on Future Points. Things are a little bit different. But, you know, I guess they have to fix that issue. So like I said, the payment ain't coming through yet. So when it do come through, I'm going to come right back. I'm going to write him back, let him know that it worked on the computer. So I just got to wait for my payment. So as soon as the payment come in, I'm going to be right back. Okay, I'm back. That was the following day after that one. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, they say my iPad wasn't compatible. I guess with the new update, it wasn't compatible to cash out. I can still use Future Points for some reason, but I can't cash out, that's weird. That's the only thing I can't do. But I can do everything else. But as you can see right here, the payment is already here. They sent me 2 emails sent from Future Points. You know what I mean? November 9th, as you can see right there, which is today. Let me show you. They sent me the other email, which is, you know, I ain't never seen this one before. It's all different. They changed, like I said, changed up everything. You know, congratulations to your $100 reward. You see my name right there, blase, blase. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna close the phone. Matter of fact, I got my iPad right here. Let me close this up real quick. Now you can see the date right there. It's Friday the 9th, November 9th, so you can know the date. But you know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, like I said, all my day ones and my mid tiers, y'all know what time it is. For all my newbies, you know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, this is what I do. The email is enough proof because, you know what I'm saying, I have the transaction ID, etc. You know what I'm saying? You want to borrow my finger real quick. But I like to go a little bit further in when I get cash out so you guys can see for yourself, see activity. Cha-ching! And there it is. $100 from future points right there. They go to payment. Paid on November 9th, including with 1Q, but that's just another story right there. But like I said, there you go right there on November 9th. You know what I'm saying? And that's basically it, man. Like I said, don't forget to follow me on social media. You know what I'm saying? Everything will be in the link in the description below. Like I said, it's real easy. I can't really say easy. It's a grind, basically. Like I said, you just got to keep grinding, and don't stop. It's because, like I said, you don't get somewhere that quick doesn't mean you're not gonna get there. If you stop grinding, you're never gonna know if you're gonna get there or not. So you have to keep going, and you eventually get results. That's for anything in life, you know what I mean? But like I said, the link will be in the description below. If you have future points, get on your grind. If you don't have it, the link will be in the description below. My code is there, so you know what I'm saying, punch it in when it tells you, so you don't start off with 0. You'll start off with 50 points. They might have upgraded, like being that we have a new interface. But that's it. Like I said, everything will be in the link in the description below, like I said. And the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, so don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink.